In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Privy for Shopify. Start by opening your Shopify dashboard. Once you are inside your admin area, look to the menu on the left side of the screen and scroll down to Settings at the bottom. Click into Settings, then choose Apps, and from there open the Shopify App Store. This is where you can find tools that connect directly with your store and help expand what your site can do. In the Shopify App Store search bar, type in Privy Blimes pop-ups, email, and SMS. When the app appears in the search results, click on it to open the app listing. Take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct app, since there may be similar results in the store. Once you are on the right app page, click Install App. After that, Shopify will guide you through the installation process. Follow the prompts on your screen to connect the app to your store. During this part, you will either create a Privy account or log into an existing one. Just continue through the setup screens until the app has been added successfully. This connection allows Privy to work with your Shopify store so you can begin using its pop-up, email, and messaging features. Once the installation is complete, go back to your Shopify admin and click Home to return to your main dashboard. From there, open Online Store, then click Themes. This will take you to your current theme settings, where you can control how apps appear and function on your storefront. Next, click Customize next to your active theme. This opens the theme editor. Inside the editor, look to the left side menu and select App Embeds. App Embeds let installed apps display features directly on your live store without needing to edit code manually, which makes this part very simple. Find Privy in the list of available app embeds. When you see it, toggle the switch to on. This enables the Privy embed for your current theme so the app can display and run properly on your storefront. Finally, click Save in the top right corner to apply your changes. That final save is important because without it, the embed may not stay enabled. Once saved, Privy is connected and turned on in your Shopify theme. That covers everything you need to know.